beautiful butterflies, it's your girl Ty Beauty. Today we are going to install a wig. I will insert a clip of what the name and the what the wig looks like. I don't have it right next to me, I just have the wig next to me. Okay, so just go ahead, sit back, relax, and go ahead and enjoy this video. Grab you a snack and let's get it on and popping.